Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's haul is really special because I am sharing with you super amazing gorgeous maxi dresses straight from Myntra. These are all very comfortable casual daily wear dresses which you can wear on repeat. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's start today's haul with the super elegant ethnic motif dress from Bani Woman. Can you believe this? The MRP of this dress is 2399 rupees, but currently it is available at 61% discount and priced at only 945 rupees. It is a midi length dress. It has this gorgeous V neckline with this wrap around kind of a detail, and it has this super gorgeous elastic detail just below the bust, which is cinching the waist properly and giving you that nice hourglass shape. It has super comfortable classic 3/4 sleeve length with elasticated band, which I feel very comfortable to wear all day because you can adjust the length as per your requirement. The dress has flared hemline which looks so gorgeous. Its blue ethnic print is giving totally summer vibes. It is written that it is made in 100% cotton, but the piece I received doesn't feel like it is cotton, but whatever fabric it is super soft and comfortable to wear. Because it is a everyday casual wear dress, I styled it with minimal jewelry, my favorite pearl hoop earrings in silver, simple silver bracelet from Amazon. For the footwear, my clear heels, and I am good to go. This dress is perfect for lounging at home or casual coffee date with friends or simply running errands. Okay, next up is this super gorgeous sage green set from brand All About You. It is a bohemian embroidered dress in fit and flare style. And guys, guess the price. It is available only at 945 rupees currently at massive 69% discount. It has classic round neckline with this tie-up detail and these beautiful tassels. It has empire waistline and gathered flare with this beautiful tiered hemline, which again has nice bohemian embroidery. Sleeves are long with this beautiful gorgeous embroidery, and overall look is super elegant and easy breezy. It is made in 100% polyester fabric, but fabric is really soft and comfortable to wear. Now let's talk about the fit. I have ordered my usual large size in this, but for everyday wear, I want little more comfortable loose fitted dress. So if you are like me, you size up in this. For the styling, because these are all casual everyday dresses, I kept the jewelry really minimal. Again, I paired it with these pearl hoop earrings, simple silver bracelet. For the footwear, my Must Harbor heels. Believe me, this whole vibe is perfect for fresh, chic appearance. Next up in this haul is this super chic maxi dress from brand Doradori. It is a relaxed fit dress in this beautiful, gorgeous monochrome floral print. It has this flattering V neckline with classic 3/4 sleeves. Plus, it has two pockets which are super comfortable for everyday wear. My monochrome lovers, currently it is priced at 1249 rupees at 50% discount. Isn't it a steal? इस ड्रेस का फैब्रिक बहुत ही सॉफ्ट और कंफर्टेबल है. ये विस्कस रेयॉन फैब्रिक में बना हुआ है. It is written that it is midi length, but it is a maxi length for me, and for the reference, I am 5'3". This black bold floral print makes such a statement that you don't need anything else. But for the jewelry, I kept it simple again with this pearl hoop earring, simple silver bracelet, and for the footwear, my Carlton London black heels. This one is perfect for stylish lunches, casual meetings, or chilled out dinner with friends. Next up in this haul is this super stylish color block dress from Doradori. Currently, it is available at 1297 rupees. It's a solid 41% off. This is an A-line midi length dress, and this color blocking is so much in trend right now. Fabric is super soft, cotton linen blend, super breathable and airy. It has flattering V neckline, classic 3/4 sleeves, and there is this tie-up detail just below the bust, creating empire waistline and showcasing the smallest part of your waist. And it has this unique high-low hemline which creates visual interest in the look and give it a modern touch. प्लस इसमें 2 पॉकेट भी आते हैं जो कि बहुत ही यूजफुल हो जाते हैं डेली वेयर ड्रेसेस के लिए. Multiple color panels in this dress make it super easy to style for any occasion. मैंने इसके पहले के सारे looks को same jewelry में style किया, so I decided to keep the jewelry same throughout the haul. So again, same pearl hoop earrings, simple silver bracelet, for footwear my Carlton London black heels. This look is perfect for smart casual outings, office lunches, shopping spree, or even for chill coffee date. Next look is again from brand Dora Dori because I really love dresses from Dora Dori. This one is midi length fit and flared dress, and if you like easy breezy dresses, you must definitely have this. This one is priced at 3,999 rupees but currently available at 1,349 only, which is a fabulous 55% discount. It is made in 100% cotton fabric, so comfort is guaranteed, and this big bold print is really unique and eye-catchy. It has nice flattering V neckline with this beautiful wrap design, and it has again elastic detail given just below the bust, creating an empire waistline which creates nice fit and flare shape. Now let's talk about sleeves. Sleeves are long sleeves and they have this beautiful tie-up detail which adds such a nice unique touch to overall look. Dress is almost ankle length for me and it has 2 pockets, which is always a bonus. Styling is really simple for all these looks. Again, silver pearl hoop earrings, simple silver bracelet. For the footwear, my go-to clear heels. This look is perfect for a casual day out, meeting with friends, shopping spree, even for traveling it is really comfortable. This next one is total showstopper from brand Tavi. This one is black block printed midi dress. This piece celebrates Indian artistry and tradition. Actual price of this garment is 6,099 rupees but currently it is available at only 1,341 rupees. That's an insane 78% off. It is made in super soft 100% pure cotton fabric which is perfect for our Indian weather. It is 100% hand block printed with this gorgeous V neckline and 3/4 sleeves with this elasticated band, so it is really easy to adjust, and it has again this empire waistline. You can see the shape of this yoke. It is super comfortable to wear, and at the back they have given this elastic, so it fits really well. It is a midi-length dress but it comes till ankle for me, so it is a maxi dress for me. It has nice wooden buttons in the front and this front slit give this dress a really modern touch. Silver oxidized jewelry will look absolutely fabulous with this dress, but because I decided to style it with same jewelry, I wore the same pearl hoop earrings, simple silver bracelet. For the footwear, my black heels. This one is absolutely perfect for festive gatherings or ethnic day at office. And finally, the last look of this haul. This one is from brand Cotton Fib and it is a shirt style midi dress which is again a maxi length for me. I feel pink color is always in style and this dress is currently available at only rupees 999 at massive 60% off. It is made in super soft, comfortable viscose rayon fabric which is really lightweight and comfy. It has nice shirt collar design with extended short sleeves which gives it a really smart vibes, and this gathered detail at the front and high-low hemline adds that little extra oomph. These buttons at the front grabs the attention, and this small slit at the front gives it a modern twist. I absolutely love this draped effect at the front. Plus they have given this belt so you can adjust the fit of your dress. No surprise in styling. Again, same earrings, bracelet and clear heels. This one is perfect when you want to make a statement but still want to be comfortable. This one is great for kitty parties, potlucks and meeting up with friends. So that was the haul, guys. Tell me in the comments which dress you like the most and what you want to see the next. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you soon with another styling story. Bye.